Crude oil prices are still going up, guys. What a turnaround from April. I'm sure you'll remember, it was only just over a month ago, oil prices went negative. And why did they go negative? Just quick recap, because literally there were loads of speculators, people that they don't want to take delivery in real crude. They don't trade the physical thing itself, they just speculate on price movements. All these speculators got caught long oil, and then it looked like they were going to have to take delivery, and it's like, mate, I'm just a trader sat in my living room. Where am I going to store 1,000 barrels of crude? So this panic was going on, and all these traders were basically paying other people to take the crude oil off their hands. And it was so difficult for them to get rid of that crude oil because there was no demand at the time. But the thing is, the fundamentals have changed so much. WTI trading today above $34 per barrel, which is the highest level since early March, so amazing turnaround. And that is because two main things. It's always supply and demand with crude. Supply has come down. Why has supply come down? Well, OPEC, we know they've done their agreement to cut. Now we're expecting that agreement to last till the end of the year. Further voluntary cuts from the likes of the Saudis and the Kuwaitis, the UAE. I saw today the US and Canada, apparently they've axed 4 million barrels per day in their output, which is a big sum from them, and other countries as well, cutting output. So that's the supply side. But the demand side is also working in crude's favor. Demand is increasing. So it's almost like we've come past peak lockdown. We think, anyway, we hope, because of this coronavirus pandemic. Lockdowns being eased in Europe, in the US, China, much of their, most of their economic activity is now back online. And what happens when you ease lockdowns? People get back in their cars, lorries start running again. We're even seeing a pickup in air travel, and that's going to pick up a lot, hopefully, in the coming months if people, hopefully we can all go on holidays and stuff again eventually. All of these things need fuel. So whilst supply is coming down, demand is going up, and that is a bullish cocktail, and that is what has been lifting the crude complex, guys. We will continue covering this topic. Obviously, crude is important for the FX markets because you've got the likes of NOK and CAD who are very correlated with crude oil, or can be very correlated. So do check out our memberships. That is pretty much it from me for now, and I will see you in the next one.